Yo guys, welcome back to another video. My name is How To Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fake blue screen of death. Now you can use this to prank your friends, prank your teacher, prank anyone you want. I personally use this to get out lessons in school by telling my teacher that I have a virus on my computer, and then instead of going to the tech help desk, I just go to the toilet and watch YouTube videos. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go to Notepad down here, or just type it in on Windows. Copy and paste this code in. Don't worry guys, it will be in the description of this video, so you can just copy and paste it in. Then you want to go to File in the top left hand corner of it, and then click Save As. Once you click Save As, this window should appear, and then you can just name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Blue Screen of Death, and then this is a really important part guys. It needs to be called .bat. Then you can just go ahead and save it, and then it should appear in your desktop window. All you need to do is just run it, and then the actual screen should appear. This will make your teacher think that, well, anyone think that they have a blue screen of death. So guys, if you do click it, it will pop up this message error, and that will make it look real. Guys, how to get rid of this is click Windows tab. This will open up the task view section. Now, so guys, this is really important. You need to close the command prompt first, and then close the actual blue screen of death. So once you've run it one time, it should make a file called whatever you saved it as, .hta. This will allow you to run the blue screen of death file without running a command prompt file. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure to turn those notifications on so you never miss a video. Until next time.